It scared me.
Put your phone down now. We need to talk.
Okay. What's up?
Where have you been? I've been waiting on you for so long. I almost forgot what you look like. When we gonna be ready to pop out? Because I low-key been waiting on you to get it together.
I know, my bad. Life been lifing, you know, but you're right. It's time.
And you know it is. So what we got coming?
Baby, you won't believe me if I told you. So it's best that you sit back and watch.
Okay. It's time to do it right this time.